Kate, of course, has become a full-on fashion icon. Whatever she wears sells out in minutes. We all remember the blue and white polka dot dress she wore outside St. Mary's when George was born. And over the weekend, of course, in that yellow floral Jenny Packham dress when they stepped out to present the new princess. Well, Michelle, a lot has been said about Kate looking fully put together. Hair, makeup, even heels at some point, you know, just hours after giving birth. It's pretty amazing stuff. How does that happen?
It's sorcery, Jeremy. That's all I can say. No, sorcery and a fantastic hairdresser who comes to your hospital bedside. No, she's pretty, she's pretty magical in terms of being able to pull off that polished of a look less than 12 hours after birth. I mean, it's certainly not the way I looked leaving the hospital, I don't think hardly any women do. There were women leaving St. Mary's in their leggings after delivery and sort of looking around like, oh gosh, was I supposed to have full hair and makeup and heels? But she's a very poised woman, and obviously for that time she was able to sort of, put her best foot forward, and she looked phenomenal.
She did look phenomenal then, and we actually have a look back at Kate's fashion all throughout the past year. Take a look.